This kit provides targeted laboratory analysis for glyphosate in drinking water. Glyphosate, also known as Roundup, is the most commonly used herbicide in the United States. This test kit is for you if you live near an area with heavy agricultural or lawn maintenance activity with known use of glyphosate. Inside this kit, you'll find simple sampling instructions and method-specific sampling vials, plus a prepaid shipping label to a certified lab for analysis. Take your time to read through the instructions. When you're ready, follow the steps to collect your water sample. Once you've properly collected your sample, place the collection vials back inside the shipping box. To ensure the most timely processing at the lab, please fill out the digital sample information online. Additionally, complete the paper sample information card and include it with your shipment to the lab. Next, attach your prepaid shipping label and follow the instructions for where to drop off your package. Specific processing times at the lab will vary, but most results will be ready in 7 to 10 business days. Your results will include detailed, quantified analysis of glyphosate by method EPA 547. As soon as your report is ready, you'll be notified by email, and your results will explain any detections in a clear and easy to understand way. While you can test for specialized herbicides like glyphosate, we recommend starting with one of our award-winning core kits for a more broad and comprehensive analysis. If you have any questions about which kit is right for you or how to sample, reach out to our online support team at any time.